I was able to meet with great organizations committed to this work.
Oh my goodness, the response was great. It's always good to see the people.
My name is Jeanette, the president of CDMA Business Model. We are here to empower, enrich, engage, explore.
And if it wasn't your group, though, tell me what is your favorite component of this human-centered design? So let me start over.
I thought it was supposed to be here.
Yeah.
They got
Great work in their various community.
Let me start over here.
An event led by We Strategies is bringing workforce development together.
It's been a fantastic year east of the river.
I do like the job progression tool. I do. So I'll go with that one.
Impact their lives. So I know what my assignment is
It's a dude east of the river shit.
Glad to be here with my brother Gary Mercer.
to help others impact others.
Thank you so much, DOES. It's been a great year.
So my favorite component was HCD, primarily because human-centered design is literally at the fence of dealing with social-emotional learning, self-management, self-awareness.
And so that's always fulfilling to do that. So it's great.
He took us through the program, and now we're here on a culminating day.
So I would say going to get a college education, from there going to get your first job, training, so that this way you can get to the level you want to get to.
And it's time to go. Until next year.